Why is YouTube TV showing a black screen? Let's troubleshoot. A black screen on YouTube TV can occur due to several reasons. Start by checking your internet connection, as slow or unstable speeds can disrupt streaming. Restart your device and router to refresh the connection. Next, ensure the YouTube TV app is updated to the latest version, as outdated software can cause display issues. Clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app may also resolve the problem. If the issue persists, it could be related to HDMI or display settings. Check your TV or streaming device's HDMI connection and adjust the resolution or HDR settings if needed. Occasionally, the issue might stem from YouTube TV's servers during an outage. Check platforms like Down Detector for service updates. If all else fails, contact YouTube TV support for assistance. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.